Hello, question 49. Ideal voltmeter, infinite resistance of voltmeter connected in parallel as shown in the diagram. If resistance X value increased by 100%, find voltage VAB reading. Solution: we use here voltage divider method. If X equal to 10 ohm, VA equal to 10 multiplied by 12 divided by 10 plus 10 is equal to 6 volt DC, and VB equal to same way 6 volt DC. So VAB equal to VA minus VB equal to 6 minus 6 equal to 0 volt DC. If X increased by 100%, then X equal to 20 ohm, VA equal to 20 multiplied by 12 divided by 10 plus 20. So this equal to 8 volt DC, and VB equal to 6 volt DC. So VAB equal to VA minus VB equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2 volt DC. Okay, thank you.